In the tapestry of our daily existence, we are confronted with an intricate weaving of events and circumstances that evoke a sense of awe and wonder within us, moments that appear too remarkable, too extraordinary to be merely the product of random chance. Yet in our modern society, we have become conditioned to brush off such occurrences as mere coincidences, dismissing their potential significance with a wave of rationality. But have you ever paused to truly contemplate and question why even the most astute minds, the scientists who dedicate their life's work to unraveling the profound mysteries of the universe that surrounds us, find themselves grappling with the very definition of what constitutes a coincidence? It is a concept that eludes precise definition, slipping through the fingers of rationality and evading our comprehension like a wisp of smoke in the wind. As we embark on our quest to understand the true nature of synchronicities, those seemingly serendipitous alignments of events that hint at a deeper underlying order, it becomes crucial that we examine historical examples that demonstrate how even the most learned and respected experts can be led astray by their own personal biases and preconceived notions, causing them to dismiss meaningful patterns that may hold profound implications. One such example takes us back to the early decades of the 20th century, a time when the scientific community found itself embroiled in heated debates surrounding the then controversial theory of continental drift, proposed by the German geophysicist Alfred Wegener. Wegener's theory of continental drift posited that the Earth's continents, as we know them today, were not immovable and static, but rather were once part of a vast supercontinent that he dubbed Pangaea, which gradually broke apart and drifted to their current positions over the course of millions upon millions of years. This theory challenged the long-held beliefs of the scientific establishment, which had assumed that the continents were fixed and unchanging. Yet, when Wegener presented his compelling body of evidence in support of this radical theory, the reaction from the scientific community was one of skepticism and, in some cases, outright derision. Instead of embracing the idea of continents in motion, the prevailing belief among scientists at the time was rooted in the concept of a lost land bridge. The hypothesis that the continents were once connected by vast landmasses that had subsequently vanished beneath the waves, submerged and hidden from view. This notion of a lost land bridge connecting the continents seemed far more plausible to the scientific establishment of the day, and they were quick to dismiss Wegener's theory of continental drift as mere coincidence or unfounded conjecture, unworthy of serious consideration. Despite facing rejection and ridicule from his peers, Wegener persisted in his research, tirelessly collecting additional evidence from a diverse array of fields such as geology, paleontology, and climatology to bolster his case. His evidence included the uncanny fitting together of the shapes of the continents like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, the matching of geological formations on opposing coastlines that perfectly aligned, and the distribution of fossils across separate continents that could only be explained by their once being part of a single landmass. Nevertheless, the scientific community remained steadfastly resistant to Wegener's ideas, stubbornly clinging to their long-held beliefs and personal biases, exhibiting a reluctance to challenge the established orthodoxy. It was not until decades later, after a wealth of new discoveries and advancements in scientific understanding had accumulated, that Wegener's once ridiculed theory of continental drift began to gain traction and acceptance within the scientific mainstream. This historical example serves as a powerful reminder that even those who are armed with knowledge, expertise, and the tools of scientific inquiry can be blinded by their own preconceived notions, letting personal biases hinder their ability to recognize and appreciate meaningful patterns and connections that may exist in the world around them. the dismissal of Wegener's theory of continental drift by the scientific establishment of his time illustrates how deeply entrenched personal biases can impede the recognition of profound truths and obscure our vision of the intricate tapestry of reality. To truly grasp the profound nature of synchronicities and the transformative power they can hold, let us immerse ourselves in the personal story of a man named Paul, a tale that illuminates the profound impact that these meaningful occurrences can have upon our lives. Paul's journey into the realm of synchronicity began with what seemed, at first, to be an utterly ordinary and unremarkable encounter: the discovery of a crumpled $1 bill bearing the printed name of his girlfriend. In that initial moment, Paul brushed off this finding as nothing more than a peculiar coincidence, a random twist of fate devoid of any deeper significance. Yet, as his relationship with his girlfriend blossomed and deepened over time, the gravity of this seemingly innocuous event gradually unfurled before his eyes like the petals of a long-closed flower, finally opening to the warmth of the sun. As the threads of their connection grew stronger and more intertwined, Paul found that he could no longer ignore the mysterious alignment between the external events unfolding in his life and the intimate realm of his own emotions, thoughts, and intentions. He began to sense a profound synchronicity at work, a tantalizing glimpse into a deeper order that extended far beyond the conventional boundaries of linear cause and effect. Paul's personal experience echoed the insights of the renowned Swiss psychologist Carl Jung, who was the first to coin the term synchronicity and explore its profound implications. According to Jung's understanding, synchronicities are not mere coincidences, but rather they offer a tantalizing glimpse into a deeper order that extends beyond the boundaries of conventional cause and effect. Jung believed that synchronicities occur when there is a causal connection between external events and our own inner landscape of thoughts, emotions, and intentions. These synchronistic occurrences serve as poignant reminders of the intricate interplay between the outer world and our inner realms, hinting at a profound interconnectedness that underlies all of existence. In these moments of synchronicity, the seemingly separate threads of our existence converge, revealing glimpses of the underlying unity that binds the cosmos together into a grand and harmonious tapestry. To truly grasp the profound nature of synchronicities and to understand the philosophical underpinnings that support this extraordinary phenomenon, we must embark on a journey into the deeper realms of thought and inquiry. At the heart of these ideas lies the belief that life is not merely a series of random, disconnected events, but rather an expression of a unified and interconnected universe, a cosmos in which all things are woven together in an intricate web of relationship and correspondence. While Jung himself held steadfastly to this belief in the fundamental unity and interconnectedness of the universe, his insights and ideas resonate profoundly with the timeless wisdom of ancient philosophers and spiritual teachers who recognize the inherent oneness of all existence. These enlightened minds saw beyond the illusion of separateness that so often entraps the human mind, and they recognized that everything in the cosmos is intricately interwoven, with each part playing a unique and vital role in the grand tapestry of creation. This concept, often referred to as the unus mundus or the one world, posits that beneath the apparent diversity and multiplicity that we perceive on the surface of reality, there lies an underlying unity, a profound oneness that transcends boundaries, cultures, and even the limitations of time itself. It suggests that the vast web of existence connects us all, weaving us together into a cosmic symphony where every individual, every event, and every synchronicity is but a vital note contributing to the harmonious melody of the universe. To deepen our understanding of synchronicities and the profound implications they hold, Let us draw a parallel to the wisdom of Pythagoras, the ancient Greek philosopher who envisioned a universal structure governed by the immutable principles of mathematics and numerical relationships. Pythagoras believed that numbers held intrinsic meaning and significance, and that they formed the very fabric of the cosmos itself, underlying the patterns and harmonies that permeate all of existence. Pythagoras's concept of a harmonious cosmos, ordered and structured according to the principles of mathematics, resonates deeply with Carl Jung's understanding of synchronicity and the causal connections that can manifest between external events and our own inner experiences. Jung recognized that synchronicities, with their uncanny timing and meaningful connections that seem to transcend the constraints of linear causality, can serve as a gateway, a portal through which we can shift our conscious awareness and connect with a greater universal consciousness. Just as Pythagoras saw profound patterns and relationships inherent in the world of numbers, synchronicities reveal to us the hidden patterns and relationships that underlie the events and circumstances of our own lives. They invite us to transcend the limitations of linear, reductionist thinking and to embrace a more holistic understanding of reality, one that acknowledges the profound interconnectedness of all things. In this grand cosmic design, synchronicities act as guideposts, beckoning us to expand our consciousness and to tap into the deep well of universal wisdom that lies within and around us. They invite us to explore the fundamental interconnectedness of all existence, recognizing that we are not isolated beings adrift in a sea of chaos and randomness, but rather integral parts of a vast and intricate web of existence, woven together in a tapestry of relationships and correspondences that extend across the boundaries of space and time. Let us now turn our attention to another awe-inspiring aspect of synchronicities, the remarkable alignment of the physical laws and mathematical constants that govern our universe, a phenomenon that poses an intriguing question. Is it merely a coincidence that the very fabric of our reality appears to be finely tuned, calibrated with exquisite precision to support the existence of life as we know it? Scientists have delved deep into the mysteries of the cosmos, uncovering what they refer to as a fine-tuned universe. A universe where a delicate balance of numerous fundamental parameters and constants has conspired to create the conditions necessary for life to not only emerge but to flourish and evolve in all its wondrous complexity. The notion of a finely calibrated universe, one in which the slightest deviation from the precise values of certain physical constants and laws would render the cosmos uninhabitable, raises profound questions about the true nature of our reality. As we stand in awe, marveling at the intricate balance of these physical laws and constants that govern the behavior of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature, we are compelled to consider the possibility that our existence is not merely a random occurrence in an indifferent universe, but rather the product of an intricately designed framework that has enabled life to thrive. Contemplating the fine-tuned nature of our universe ignites within us a sense of profound wonder, evoking visions of a cosmic blueprint meticulously crafted to support the emergence and evolution of life in all its resplendent diversity. It challenges us to question whether the synchronicities that manifest in our own lives, those meaningful patterns interwoven into the tapestry of our existence, are part of this grand cosmic design, a vast tapestry of interconnectedness that guides us along our personal journeys of growth, evolution, and self-discovery.
Could it be that synchronicities serve as the gentle nudges, the signposts, and the synchronistic encounters that arise precisely when needed to propel us forward on our paths of spiritual growth and self-realization? Could they be the whispers of a greater intelligence, gently guiding us toward the fullest expression of our potential and the realization of our highest purpose? As we navigate the intriguing realm of synchronicity, we are drawn to explore the captivating field of numerology, an ancient discipline that delves into the profound significance of recurring number patterns appearing in our lives. Numerologists propose that these numbers carry profound messages from the universe itself, guiding us along our path of self-discovery and personal growth. Numerology reveals that numbers possess inherent vibrational energies and symbolic meanings that resonate with the deepest aspects of our being. When we notice a particular number appearing repeatedly in our lives, in a seemingly synchronistic manner, it is often referred to as an angel number. A numerical pattern believed to convey messages, insights, and guidance that can illuminate our journey, offering valuable direction and revealing hidden opportunities that may lie before us. Each individual angel number holds its own distinct meaning and significance, drawing upon the unique attributes and qualities associated with its numerical symbolism. For example, the number 111 is often associated with manifestation, alignment with one's true life purpose, and the integration of mind, body, and spirit. In contrast, the number 888 is frequently interpreted as signifying abundance, prosperity, and financial success or material well-being. These angel numbers act as gentle whispers from the universe, encouraging us to pay close attention to the messages they may hold and providing us with valuable insights into our current circumstances, challenges, and the possibilities that lie ahead on our path. However, it is crucial to remember that the interpretation of angel numbers is a highly personal and intuitive process. While numerologists may provide guidance on the general meanings and associations linked to specific numbers, it is ultimately up to each individual to discern the resonance and significance that these numerical patterns hold in the context of their own unique life journey. As we continue to tread our individual paths through this vast tapestry of existence, it becomes vital that we cultivate an open mind, a keen attentiveness, and a deep receptivity to the synchronicities that grace our lives. These meaningful patterns and interconnected occurrences have the profound potential to unveil deep insights, reveal hidden opportunities, and deepen our understanding of the vast tapestry in which we are all intricately woven, a cosmic web of relationships that extends across the boundaries of space, time, and conventional notions of causality. By embracing synchronicity and the wisdom it can impart, we open ourselves to the recognition that we are not merely passive observers in a universe governed by blind chance and randomness. Rather, we become active participants in the unfolding of a grand cosmic narrative, co-creators weaving our unique threads into the shimmering tapestry of existence, guided by the gentle nudges and whispers of a universe that is alive with meaning, intelligence, and profound interconnectedness. As we walk this path of awakening, let us hold fast to the knowledge that synchronicities are not mere curiosities or anomalies to be brushed aside. They are portals, gateways that can usher us into a deeper understanding of the true nature of reality, a reality that is alive with patterns, relationships, and causal connections that transcend the limitations of our conventional modes of thinking. With open hearts and minds, let us embrace the transformative power of synchronicity and allow it to guide us ever deeper into the heart of the cosmic mystery.